Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing great. In today's video, I'll show you how ChatGPT can help you in writing SAP Business One queries or Excel formulas or in any task which is related to your office or even to personal life and you are looking for help. If you don't know what is ChatGPT, it's a chatbot which is developed by OpenAI company and it is powered with huge amount of data in the backend and it has capabilities to understand the natural languages and to process the spoken and written words. In order to develop this tool, 300 billion words were fed into it, and those 300 billion words included or they are basically 570 gigabytes of data which the company took from different books, websites, articles, Wikipedia. In terms of SAP, maybe they took it from SAP community or other online sources where SAP related content is discussed or people used to publish the content online. It's quite interesting. So let's give it a try for SAP Business One and Excel related questions or tasks. So in order to try the tool, you have to create an account on openai.com. After creating the account, simply click on Try ChatGPT and it will launch the tool. So on the left side, I have the option to create the new chat, log out, and some other options like dark mode or frequently asked questions. So let's launch a new chat. So I'll ask a question about a query in SAP Business One that will show the list of all the sales orders. I want a query to show me list of all sales orders in SAP Business One. So here is the sample SQL query proposed by it. Select document entry, document number, customer code, which is the card code, document date, document total, and ORDR table. Okay, and object code is 17. So in this case, the accuracy rate is 100%. In some cases, you will notice the accuracy is not 100%, but it's somewhere close to the 100%. And the good thing is it's also explaining the fields are in that query or in that content it is proposing. Let's ask another question related to outgoing payments in SAP Business One. I want I want a query to show list of all outgoing payments in SAP Business One. So here is the sample SQL query. Again, it is writing it, and now it is proposing to write the query from the OJDT table that is the journal entry table, and it is also suggesting to apply the filter based on the transaction type. 24. I think for outgoing payment, transaction type is 46. 24 is not the correct one. So in this case, uh, before the where clause, I mean it proposed something which is helping me or which is close to the question I asked. So let's give it another try and ask another question about purchase orders. I want a query to show me list of all purchase orders in SAP Business One. So here is the sample SQL query. Okay, again it proposed from the purchase order table POR1. Okay, that is the uh, detail or rows or table of the purchase order, and that table does not have this field card code. Again, the suggestion is somewhere close to what I asked. However, it was not 100%. but it helped me. It helped me by giving some sample query. Let's ask something related to Excel. I want, or let's say, how to write a VLOOKUP formula for a formula in Excel. Okay, so it will explain the VLOOKUP function, okay, in detail, and the syntax also. If you can say this is the correct one, lookup value, table array, index number, and it is explaining the content of the formula or content of the function. Now let's ask something other than SAP or other than Excel. Let's ask something about PowerPoint. So I'll say design, I want to design a PowerPoint temp. I want to let's change the question and I'll say I want to add a picture in PowerPoint presentation. So it will explain how to add the picture in the PowerPoint. Okay, it is really interesting, and it is even suggesting navigate to the slide where exactly you want to insert the picture. Okay, it's quite interesting tool, and I would suggest you should give it a try, and definitely it will improve with the passage of time because more people will start using it. There will be more data in the background, or the company will be able uh, to capture more data and improve this tool. And one thing you need to keep in mind, do not share any sensitive data which is like your personal information, because maybe at some point of time that data will be published for someone. I mean, if someone asks a question, and there is a chance it will use your data as an example uh, to answer that question. So, in order to avoid that situation, do not use your personal data or sensitive data while asking the questions. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.